Hey guys, so Linea has launched their fifth wave, which is liquidity provision and yield farming. So basically, we need to provide liquidity to the pool, and there are different tasks. The core task we need to provide at least $50 deposit um, on the on any of the provided exchange, which is DX, and any of these tokens. So I'm gonna use so you need to read all the thing, and I'm gonna use there is this velo core, because the reason I'm using this one is, first of all, it is simple, and the second thing is, once I will complete this, so I can complete another task, the bonus task within this, so we don't need to do that. So that's why I'm gonna cover two in one. So you can see the application. Well, in the video I'm gonna show you, so you don't need to see. Just click and go to app. Okay, first we need to connect the wallet. Make sure that you have chosen linear network. Okay, now we'll see. It's a pool, so we'll select our coin. I'm gonna use USDT Ether. Maybe if there is USDC Ether, yeah, so I'm gonna choose that one because I have both of these. So I'm gonna choose 30 75%. Okay, slippage you can select to 0.5, so I think 0.5 is fine. Okay, add liquidity only and not to stake. So you can do liquidity and stake, and you can only do liquidity and not stake. I'm gonna do both of these. Okay, so okay, this is success. Now it seems that I have provided liquidity already. Let's see. All reward. Okay, so this is my liquidity which I have provided, and let's see. So once you have done that, you can claim here your reward. If the basically reward is, you will get after a while, to provide this liquidity, you will get rewarded by the native token, which is LVC, I think, which is Velocore. I am using this first time, so I'm not sure about that. So, but it seems like this coin is of Velocore, similar to Uniswap, like has Unicoin, and PancakeSwap has Pancake coin. Okay, you can see my reward here. So you start getting instantly as soon as you provide, and you can remove the liquidity anytime you want. So first of all, I would suggest that go here and start verification, since we have provided. So just click here. It will take some time, and also this task, this is the same as you can see, USDC and Ether. So I have chosen already that, and this is the reason I chose the same one again for the core task. on this fellow core because I knew this was both of these tasks we need to do. Okay, so I'll click proceed and it will start verification as well. So once this is completed, so you can remove the liquidity from here. You can visit pool volatile, you can visit pool and check your liquidity, and you can add or remove your liquidity pool from this one. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment box and I will try to explain it. Thank you.